this led up to this moment, taking it one game at a time. So we got Cornell on Saturday. I'm just looking forward to hitting forward, competing.
At the beginning of the year, things weren't going as what we expected, but we had trust in our coaches. We had trust in Coach Amaker, and we approached every day with the same mindset. And eventually, everything started working out for us, and then we started playing as a team, and then we kind of found our flow. And I think that definitely showed throughout the second half of the season for us, and we definitely found our groove.
And it's Bassey on the drive. Smooth drop off. So hey, Hooper, real basket. At a baseline flush. Juricic rises. He finds Juzang open, and he connects from three. That's a big key to keep it out of the post. One to shoot. Towns from three. When you're hot, you're hot. 74-55. The Crimson winners over the Big Red. Welcome you to the Ivy League Men's Basketball Tournament Championship Game. One to the basket. He leaps. He scores and one. Needs a quick bucket. Juzang. A much-needed three-pointer. Timeout. Lewis looking for his first points of the second half. That's an easy one. And he's got the bucket. Tie game. Harvard can go in front from the line.
Certainly proud of our team for the fight that they put up throughout this season, and we're hopeful for an opportunity to continue to play.